Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to increase photo quality. First, always ensure your camera lens is spotless. Even a tiny smudge can significantly reduce clarity. Next, dive into your camera settings and select the maximum resolution and quality options available. This provides more data for a sharper image. Finally, prioritize natural light sources. Position your subject to benefit from soft, even illumination, avoiding harsh shadows or overexposure. These initial steps lay a strong foundation for stunning photographs. Mastering light and composition is crucial for high-quality photos. The golden hour, occurring about 1 hour after sunrise or before sunset, offers incredibly soft, warm light that enhances colors and textures beautifully. Try to compose your shots using the rule of thirds, imagining a 9-square grid and placing your main subject along the lines or intersections. This creates a more dynamic and engaging image. Also, steer clear of shooting in direct midday sun, as it often leads to unflattering shadows and overexposed highlights. Achieving sharp focus and stability are paramount for crisp images. Always double-check that your main subject is perfectly in focus. A slightly out-of-focus shot can ruin an otherwise great picture. To combat camera shake, especially in lower light, hold your camera as steady as possible, or better yet, use a tripod. For capturing action or moving subjects, a faster shutter speed like 1/250th of a second or quicker will freeze the motion and prevent blur. Even the best photos can benefit from a little post-processing. Start by adjusting the exposure and contrast to ensure your image isn't too dark or too bright, and that details are visible in both shadows and highlights. Next, consider cropping your photo to eliminate any distracting elements and strengthen the overall composition. Finally, apply a subtle amount of sharpening to define edges and make your image pop, but be careful not to overdo it, as too much can introduce unwanted noise.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.